guys, welcome to Synchronicity Tarot. So today I'm back again with another pick a card reading. So today's reading is about who will you marry. Okay, so who will you marry? Who will be your future spouse? We will also take out some messages from your person, and also we will take the initials of your person. Then we will see who will you marry. Then before starting the reading, I would like to thank all my viewers, subscribers, whoever is new to my channel, welcome, and whoever is supporting me constantly, thanks a lot. Then please note that these readings are general readings. They may or may not resonate with everybody. If you want personal reading, please check my details in the description box given below. Then if you want any different kind of reading, please comment in the comment box so that I can do the readings next. And please comment. I love to read all your comments. That's all I have to say. Then I have, as usual, 3 piles here. Pile number 1, this yellow shell. Pile number 2, this red color seashell. And pile number 3 is this blue color seashell. Please look at them, take a look at them carefully. Whichever pile you are intuitively connected with, you can select it. If you need more time, you can pause the video and select the pile. Okay, so let's start. So we will start with pile number 1. Whoever chose this yellow pile, this reading is for them. Let's see. So let's see. Pile number 1. Whoever chose pile number 1, let's see who will be your future spouse or who will be married. Who will you marry? Let's see what are the spirit guides and angels are guiding. Okay. Okay, hope you can see the cards. Whomever you are going to meet, the person will be just getting away from the relationship. Maybe this person is divorced, or he's into committed relationship earlier. Okay, first of all, I will tell you the signs. The signs will be Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, and all the fixed signs like Taurus, then Aquarius, Scorpio, Leo. Okay, so these are all the fixed signs. Aquarius, then Scorpio, Leo, and Taurus. Okay, and Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. Any one of them it can be. So this person is long time. This person might be single or alone. And this person is very slow mover, and also I can see a little bit age difference here. So this person will be very introvert. He might not talk to you much, and this person is walking away from a connection. When you meet this person might be walking away from a connection, maybe divorced, or maybe separated from his long-term commitment partner. Then this person will be coming towards you when his wheel of fortune means when the divine timing, this person will come to you in the divine timing. So you cannot rush the things here. So number 8 will be very significant for you. Maybe you will meet this person in the month of August, or you will meet him in the month of October or in the December. Okay, these 3 months will be prominent for you: August or October or December. Okay, in these months you might see this person or meet this person. Okay, so this person is very alone for a long time, and this person will be coming towards you slowly. You cannot rush the things with this person. He will not take action very fast. Okay, this person will come towards you very slowly, and he or she will come in the divine timing. You cannot rush the things. Okay, as usual, I told you the signs also. Let's clarify the Hanged Man and the 8 of Cups. Okay, please clarify Hanged Man. Dear Spirit Angels, please clarify Hanged Man. Please clarify Hanged Man. Even I feel that whoever is viewing this, whoever picked this pile, the person also might be a single mom or a single dad, or they are already divorced, and they are not a young person. They are already like seen life. They were already in the relationship earlier, and they are single. They are also single. Then they are looking for a partner now. This will be, most probably this will be a second marriage for most of them, most of the viewers. Okay, so this person is into a very deep depression, anxiety, and he's very sad actually. He's looking at God and why this happened, and even he's like regretting why I have taken some decisions. Okay, and again the clarification card also, again it is confirming that this person is very rich and very stubborn, then very powerful and very like angry person. This person is like very aggressive person, I can say, very brave, bold. But definitely this person is divorced, because this King of Swords means he's a divorcee. And I also can see the age difference here. Lot of age difference is there. So this person will be Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Okay, then Scorpio also I can see strongly. So this person might be coming towards you, as I told you the months also. So you will meet this person in those months. Okay, then let's see. Let's clarify Eight of Cups card. Angels, please clarify Eight of Cups card. Okay, so when this person meet you, he must be coming out of, as I told you, he's coming out of the relationship, or he must be having some financial crisis, maybe because of the divorce, or maybe because of the, he lost a lot of money, because already I told you he's very rich person. He's very like hard working person. But this person, when he meets you, this person will be in a very like lonely place, and also this person will be like health is not that good, and he might be facing the financial crisis. Okay, I feel that this is not a new person, and this is already, you know, this person. Okay, he is not new in your life. You are dealing with this person currently, I feel so, because there is no new card here. So this person is in a very sad state and deep like reflecting what is happening in my life. Okay, and this person is little bit immature also, I can say. And this person might be intellectual, very intelligent person, and he's on a very high post actually, maybe a manager or a doctor, or he might be working in an army, very powerful person, police, army, okay, navy. Okay, this person is very very powerful person, and people will be working under him, because he is in the king energy. Okay, so this person will be like coming towards you. You already know this person. You might be dealing with him already, her, because Hanged Man is there. I can feel that you both are not in communication right now. You both are not talking to each other right now. Something happened between you, so you both are not talking to each other right now. And also you have the third party. Okay, maybe it is there in your part, or his part only. I can see this person is a divorcee, and he is like separated from his partner, karmic partner, and that time he will meet, and he'll be in a deep pain or sorrow, or depression. Okay, let's see what is the final outcome. Something flipped here. Okay, so this is the outcome of your connection. If you are dealing with this person right now, so this is the outcome. That means you both are twin flames, and twin flames meaning you both married different people. Okay, so you both are twin flames. You know each other. Maybe you both are like in the past you both were together, or maybe classmate, schoolmate, college mate, or colleague, or somebody. You know this person like not so closely, like a friend. Okay, so but you both parted away, like this person married somebody else and you married somebody else, because this is how twin flame and a marriage card. So now, because your both marriages did not work, they both your marriages broke apart and now you will be coming together and celebrating together. This is a marriage card, and strongly it says that this is a marriage card. And also I can see some of them might be dealing with Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, and also Sagittarius, Leo, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Okay, so I can see almost all the signs are here. So whichever it resonates with you, please take it. Then strongly I can see Taurus, then Scorpio, Leo, and Aquarius. Okay, these four signs are very strong here. So whichever is resonating for you, you can take it, because this person is not a new person. This is old person. There is age difference. You both are matured. You both have maybe one of you have kids also. Okay, then single mom or single dad, then you both will definitely marry. I can see the synchronicity here, 8, then 4, 5, 10, 12. Okay, so this lot of synchronicities are there. When you meet this person, or when you feel that this person is coming towards you, you can see lot of angel numbers, lot of synchronicities, lot of repeating numbers. You can see you might be whenever you see the clock or somewhere, you can see the repeating numbers, angel numbers, lot of synchronicities, feathers, or okay, that means universe is guiding you, universe is telling you. So this is the person that you will be married to, or you will be having life together. So universe is giving you the signals and signs that you will be marrying this person. Okay, let's pull one guidance card from Sacred Indian Tarot for this. Let's pull one guidance card. What will happen? What is the outcome? What is the guidance for this connection? So I don't know why you are not communicating with each other, but definitely you will end up together. Okay, please, spirit guides, please give us some guidance for pile number 1. Okay, the Hierophant. The Hierophant is a strong marriage card. Okay, and also it signifies it your person might be Taurus. It is a double confirmation that your person might be Taurus, and it is a strong confirmation that this person will be very loyal, honest, and very stable person. Commitment. He wants this person is aged, and this person want to have a long-term relationship or commitment with you. Definitely this person will come into your life, and he will offer the commitment, marriage, and then you both will be marrying each other. Let's pull out the cards. Okay, some messages from your person. Let's see the messages from your person. Let's see the messages from your person. I feel that this reading will be a long reading, so let's see. I wanted 3 cards and I got all. Wishing you were with me right now. So this person is definitely missing you. This person is saying wishing you could be with me right now. Okay, then next card. My love for you is unconditional. Okay, my love for you is unconditional. Then let's see. I wonder if you are happy without me. So he is feeling, because you are in no communication situation, right? This person is feeling, I wonder if you are happy without me. Okay, these are all the cards for you. Let's see the alphabets. Let's see where I can keep it. So I got H. Hope you can see. Or I'll just move these away. Okay, I got P, then B, then U, M, sorry, it is W. Okay, W, then D, K, H, G, S. Okay, one more fell down. That is I saw. Okay, sorry, T. Okay, this is T. So these are all the initials of your person. They may these initials may be there in their first name, last name, middle name. Okay, anywhere these initials will be there, alphabets will be there. So if you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, friends. And don't forget to press the bell symbol to know more notifications regarding my upcoming videos. That's all I have for you. Pile number 1, all the best. You got double confirmation, 2 marriage cards came. Lucky you.